Hey everyone, the numbers are in for Splash in Panama City Beach for February of 2023. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group over at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Everyone's asking us about where is the market going, where are prices going to be headed. This video, I'm going to touch on what's happened since the first of the year, but I want to show you something that we're really watching that can really help us understand where prices may be headed. Start off with in the overall Gulf front condo market. I'm not going to go into the deep explanation of months of inventory, but we've recovered slightly from 7.25 in January to 5.85 months of inventory in February. That's representative of generally a balanced market, maybe slightly a buyer's market. We've only had one sale in Splash, 1204 West closed for 435 since the beginning of the year. Only one sale. But here's a trend I really want us to pick up on. I was reminded last week that our supply levels tend to be very seasonal here, meaning how many condos are for sale has a pretty definite trend throughout the year. Normally, the least amount of units that are on the market for sale come about February or March, about this time of year. And normally, they also move up throughout the year until about July, August, September. If you think about that, the more units there are for sale, buyers have more choices, sellers have more competition, the market's softening just a little bit if the demand doesn't keep up with that. And depending on how extreme that is, that's when you can see prices become affected. So let's take a look and see what that's looked like in our market over the last couple of years. March 2021, look at where we were. 0.59 months of inventory. Theoretically, we're selling condos so fast, less than a half of a month from the date it hit the market to the actual closing date. But follow this with me throughout the next few months. It moved up to 0.64, moved up again, moved up again, moved up again, moved up again, moved up again. By September, we had moved up from 0.59 to 3.48. It was now taking us about 3.5 months to sell a condo. Another way to think about that might be we're over 5 times slower than we were since March. If you look again the next year, see what started in March again, 1.09 months of inventory, moved up, moved up, moved up, moved up. By July at this time, we had moved up to 7.46 months of inventory. If we're at 5.58 months of inventory right now, and the trends are that we soften over the next few months, we could very quickly be entering buyer market territory. Right now, we're hovering on a balanced market. 5 or 6 months of inventory represents a neutral, balanced market in real estate. If we get to 7, 8, 9 months of inventory, there are going to be some sellers that will be motivated to sell. They want to sell, they need to sell, and they don't want to wait 7 months or 8 months or 9 months for that to happen. Their only recourse is going to be dealing with price, and that's where you can start to see prices come down slightly. So this is something we're really, really watching. Are we going to see our supply levels up, and is demand going to keep up with that or not? I'm going to do a deep dive into Splash at the beginning of next month to really analyze the first quarter. We'll have another month of data to see how the spring market's going. If you know anybody in Splash that would like to see these videos, please share this with them. I only send these emails out to people who have asked for it. I do post it on social and on YouTube, but I don't want to just spam people's emails that haven't asked for it. So if you think anybody would be interested in this information, please share it. If you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out. Again, my name is Craig Duran at the Duran Group, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, 850-527-0221. Thank you.